Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam dan bahagia. My name is Izatul Jannah. Absen number 201017047. Study program accounting. I will provide information about my summary about developing learning material model for English for specific purpose ESP in accounting department of Riau University. Abstract. The confusion of lecture in teaching English with special material and adjusting students who choose non-English majors is the main problem faced by many readers, which is the basic reason for conducting the research. The main purpose of reading this article is to fill in the material given to studying student majoring in the accounting the University of Riau. Introduction. Mastery of foreign language, especially English, has become a necessity. English as an international language that is used in the various contexts such as entertainment, social media, business, certain communities, and education is the main reason for learning this language. English for specific purpose or ESP is a branch of English education that is practiced as vocation education, which is wrought in the development of general English courses at the higher education level of which is at Riau University Faculty of Economics, where one of the majors is accounting as one of the study program where the author teaches English course. English for specific purpose (ESP) must be seen as method, not a product. Why is that? This is because ESP is often referred to as a language-centered approach to specific learners, which aims to equip them with domain-specific knowledge and the skill. The emergence of ESP dates back to the late 1960, when the initial need for ESP was based off the specific idea of using English as important factor of use, especially in the fields of science and technology. Then there is a shift in the basic needs of using English, which aims to identify a situation of place where language learners will use English and purpose their careers, so that teaching English is not a science for more communication but a science. The author has been teaching English for about 5 years in the University Accounting Department, realizing that there are no special teaching materials for students who choose majors of other than English majors, especially in the department where the author teaches. The author see an opportunity in reading this article to develop teaching materials for the English department for a college accounting model. In this paper, the research only focused on the developing the proposed material model for accounting students at the University of Riau. The first step starts with analysis the student needs for the English courses they are taking, so that their needs analysis become a material model framework and basis for further development. Method. With descriptive methods, qualitative methods and tools used are closed questionnaire, where the form of the question refers to needs analysis purpose, which products needs and definition that are initially and equipment with language skill there lets English and adaptation questionnaires. Result and discuss. Through data collects 10 respondents out of a total of 40 respondents ran through and questionnaires. The result of the questionnaires were then processed using Excel to get the percentage for each category. As seen in the table above of the total respondents who answered, namely 18 student, 10 student, 56% consider themselves beginners, 7 student, 39% had intermediate abilities, and only 1 student, 6% consider themselves. As seen from the table above, the main reason students are learning English is to always choose 72% of each element contained in category, namely the ability to read English, effective fluent pronunciation, entry, vocabulary, make sentence correctly, make good paragraph, summary, journal context, translate, listen to or understand material, speak fluently, and have correct grammar. See attack for details. Then the protect 61% in the often choose indicators in student goals in several aspects of the English courses, such as educational goals, work, going abroad, good communication, self-development, reading English literature, and studying TOEFL. The second is the some material must be read English. 44% of students choose often as the main choice. Students have a variety option, such as reading material or English material from book, journal article, magazine, and lecture materials. At the lowest level of ranking, the main choice is often trying to improve students for language skill by 42%. For example, listening to things relate to English to improve listening skill. It can be seen from the data obtained then that the English language skill of accounting majors are domained by students with contain basic English. According to the syllabus of the English program accounting at the Faculty Economics University of Riyadh, the emphasis is on mastery of intermediate level vocabulary and grammar, reading, writing, and speaking skills. Mastery vocabulary and grammar, as well as practicing reading, speaking, and reading skill relates to activities in the class, which can be continued with offline and online exercises. Conclusion: the essence of reading this article is a material model that is prepared according to the needs, definition, and desires of the student after studying ESP courses, which are career or through a process of analyzing the needs of students, showing these things that must be done. In terms of the use of English, all activities carried out are updated to relevant context and their current English skills. The material model must be developed with an element of flexibility that can show to the current of the relationship between materials, the needs, the serious and descriptions of students of or learners. Well, considered in developing material model from work, target language, contact, and communicative teaching principle are in the place as many considerations. Thank you. This is my summary. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam.